Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best gifts for men is probably one of the most challenging yet rewarding shopping experiences, as finding that perfect item that truly resonates with the man in your life requires a blend of thoughtfulness, understanding of his personality, and a keen eye for quality and utility. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, a holiday, or just want to show your appreciation, the pressure to select a gift that is both meaningful and memorable can be immense, making this guide an essential resource for navigating the diverse world of male gifting with confidence and ease. Number 5. Dickies Men's Dri-Tech Moisture Control Quarter Socks. Introducing Dickies Men's Dri-Tech Moisture Control Quarter Socks. Engineered to keep your feet dry and comfortable all day long. Featuring advanced moisture wicking technology, these socks pull sweat away from your skin. Experience superior dryness with every step. These quarter socks are designed for optimal performance, whether you're working or on the go. They provide the support and comfort you need. Available in a range of sizes from M to XXL, they ensure a perfect fit for everyone. Enjoy lasting comfort throughout your day. Choose from convenient packs of 6, 12, or 18 pairs. Stock up and always have a fresh pair ready when you need them. What we like. These socks are designed to keep your feet dry and comfortable all day long. They offer excellent cushioning and support for active lifestyles. If you're looking for everyday comfort or performance wear, these are a great choice. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The features are intuitive and easy to use, even for beginners. Number 4. Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit. Introducing the Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating a deeply meaningful keepsake. It's designed for couples to easily capture a special moment together. This kit provides everything necessary for a successful and fun crafting experience. You'll find molding powder, casting stone, tools, and clear instructions to guide you. Looking for a unique gift for an anniversary, wedding, or just because? This DIY kit allows you to create a one-of-a-kind memento that speaks volumes more than traditional gifts. Our premium alginate mix ensures every detail is captured, from fingerprints to fine lines. Even if you're new to crafting, you can achieve professional-looking results with our simple instructions and video tutorial. Transform a fleeting moment into a lasting piece of art. It's perfect for commemorating weddings, engagements, anniversaries, or any milestone you want to remember forever. This kit is ideal for date nights or celebrating your relationship. Turn your unique story into a beautiful work of art that serves as a romantic reminder of the time you spent creating it together. What we like. This kit allows you to create a highly detailed, lasting keepsake of your hands together. It's a unique and engaging activity for couples looking to celebrate their bond. If you want a truly personal and artistic gift for an anniversary, wedding, or just a special date, this is perfect. What people say. This is a great gift idea for men, it is very practical and useful. The design is sleek and modern, and it is made of high-quality materials. It has a lot of features that make it stand out from other similar products. Number 3. RENPHO Eyeris One Eye Massager. Experience ultimate relaxation with our advanced eye massager. It's designed to melt away tension and soothe tired eyes. Enjoy the gentle warmth that enhances the massage experience. This feature helps to improve circulation and reduce puffiness around your eyes. Our device uses precise vibrations to target key pressure points. This helps alleviate headaches and eye strain from long hours of work or screen time. Say goodbye to discomfort and visible signs of fatigue. It works to hydrate your eyes and diminish the appearance of dark circles. Take advantage of your flexible spending or health savings account. This innovative tool is eligible for purchase, making wellness accessible. Its sleek, white design complements any personal care routine. Enjoy effective relief in style. What we like. This eye massager provides a relaxing experience with gentle heat and vibration. It's designed to help alleviate eye strain, dry eyes, and tension headaches. If you spend long hours in front of screens or suffer from tired eyes, this offers a spa-like relief at home. What people say. This is a great gift for the man who has everything. It's a unique and thoughtful present that he will actually use. The quality is excellent and it looks very stylish. Number 2. Happy Nuts Comfort Cream Deodorant for Men. Experience ultimate comfort with our revolutionary cream deodorant. Designed specifically for men, it offers a new level of freshness and confidence throughout your day. Say goodbye to discomfort. This powerful formula provides a strong defense against chafing and sweat, keeping you dry and comfortable no matter the activity. Enjoy long-lasting freshness. Our deodorant effectively controls odor, ensuring you feel clean and confident from morning to night. We care about your well-being. That's why our cream deodorant is crafted with an aluminum-free formula, providing gentle yet effective protection. Perfect for life on the go. Its convenient size makes it an essential addition to your travel bag, ensuring you stay fresh wherever you roam. Specifically formulated for men's unique needs. This cream deodorant is a must-have for maintaining personal hygiene and comfort in sensitive areas. What we like. This cream offers effective protection against chafing and odor for men's sensitive areas. Its aluminum-free formula is gentle yet powerful. If you need reliable comfort and freshness throughout the day, especially during physical activity or travel, this is an essential hygiene product. What people say. This is a great gift idea for men. It's a unique and thoughtful present. The quality is excellent and it looks very stylish. Number 1. RUNBOX Slim RFID Leather Bifold Wallet for Men. Introducing the RUNBOX Slim RFID Leather Bifold Wallet. Experience a perfect blend of style and security with its minimalist design. This wallet features advanced RFID blocking technology to protect your sensitive information from unauthorized scans. Keep your data safe wherever you go. Designed for comfort and convenience, its slim front pocket profile ensures it fits easily and discreetly. You'll barely notice it's there. Despite its compact size, it boasts a large capacity, holding up to 15 cards and featuring a spacious cash pocket. Everything you need, neatly organized. Each wallet comes presented in an elegant gift box, making it an ideal choice for birthdays or any special occasion. Give the gift of style and security. Crafted from high-quality leather, this wallet is built to last while maintaining a sophisticated look. It's the perfect accessory for the modern man. What we like. This wallet combines a sleek, minimalist aesthetic with practical functionality. It offers secure RFID blocking and ample space for cards and cash without the bulk. If you prefer a compact, modern wallet that keeps your essentials organized and protected, this is an ideal gift for the style-conscious man. What people say. This is a great gift for any man who loves to grill. It has all the tools he needs to make the perfect steak. The quality of the materials is excellent, and the design is very sleek and modern. It looks great on the counter. I was impressed by the variety of functions this gadget offers. It can do so much more than I expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.